Hi guys, it's Meg's Bakery Universe back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these delicious strawberry crunch brownies. To your stand mixer, add 2 boxes of strawberry cake mix, 2 1/3 cups of vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and 4 eggs. Go ahead and give that a good mix until it's all combined. And it should look like this. Now I'm going to add my strawberry brownie mix to a 13x9 baking pan. I went ahead and already lined it with parchment paper. So you want to make sure you spread out the batter evenly. So we're going to go ahead and bake these strawberry brownies for 15 to 20 minutes on 350 degrees. While that's baking, we're going to go ahead and make the cream cheese frosting. You will need 1 8-ounce cream cheese at room temp, 2/3 cup of marshmallow fluff. From 30 golden Oreos, I took out the cream, and I'm also adding this to the cream cheese mix. You want to go ahead and give this a good mix for 2 to 3 minutes until it's thoroughly combined and it's very smooth and fluffy. I went ahead and melted a half a stick of unsalted butter. Now I'm going to add 1 pack of strawberry jello. This is a 0.3 ounce box. Now we're going to work on the golden Oreo cookies. I'm going to take half of the crushed golden Oreos and I'm going to add the strawberry jello butter to it. I'm going to go ahead and give that a good mix till the strawberry jello butter coats the cookies. Then I'm going to put the mix onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake it for 5 to 10 minutes on 350 degrees. Once it's done baking, let it sit for a few minutes to set. Once it sets, it will be crumbly and you can go ahead and add that to the rest of the crushed cookies. Give that a good mix. And there you have it, strawberry shortcake crumbles. Go ahead and assemble the strawberry crunch brownies. Make sure the pan of strawberry brownies has completely cooled down. You do not want the cream cheese frosting to melt. After you add the cream cheese frosting, go ahead and add on the strawberry crunch crumbles. And there you have it. I just showed you guys how to make these perfect, moist, thick, delicious strawberry crunch brownies. These were super delicious and actually pretty easy to make.